So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can set up your foreign TikTok accounts, and I recommend a UK account. So let's get started. Please just follow carefully. And if this is your first time of coming to our channel, I want to subscribe, like, and comment. It means a lot to us. All right, so now let's continue. So first of all, you have to find your TikTok on your apps like this, then go to it and hold it. All right, then when this appear, look up above. You see on that area above, you see app info. Yeah, click on this. All right, click on that. So we want to clear our storage. This is especially very important if you have been using TikTok before. For example, I do have my region TikTok account which I'm not using. So this is what I did before I created the UK TikTok that I'm using right now. All right. So now click on storage and cache. Storage and cache. Then come to clear storage. All right. Then clear storage. All right. Good. Then we'll go over back now to TikTok. We'll go back to TikTok. All right. Back to TikTok. Good. So what happened is that we have actually cleared our storage. So everything is new now. All right. This is very important. You can decide to select, some things that you like, or you can decide not to select. Or let's just do this. Continue. Over to next. So, all right. So now it takes us here, and we have to swipe up. Good. Now come down to profile. Come down to profile. Now, this is where you have to be very, very careful and cautious, because any mistake, it will not work. All right. Okay. Don't choose first. Don't choose. Click on this place to remove this, please. Yeah, remove this. Okay. Good. Now look down. Look down. Focus now. Look down. You see this area. You can see my region there, right? Nigeria. Okay. Nigeria. You can read what is there. All right. So we'll click on that Nigeria right now. Click on this. See what happens when you click on this. Good. So it has given us option to select our region. Right. That is, we're saying like, no, we don't want to use Nigeria as a region. Right. So basically what you do now is changing your region. So now TikTok will see it now like you are from this particular place that you have chosen now. Like I'm going to choose United Kingdom. Search for it and then just choose United Kingdom. So we have rebranded our TikTok now from Nigeria, which happens to be our main region, to UK. All right, good. This is important because this is the country, one of the countries that TikTok, highly recommends that most people are actually using, who are not in a monetizable country. All right. So now let's go now. So you can see that if you look down now, you see that it has actually changed. Okay, you see that United Kingdom. Okay, you can see it, United Kingdom. All right, that's our region right now. Now, good. So let's go now to sign up. All right. So continue with Google. And we'll choose. Let me just choose this. So choose the email that you want to use to sign up. Okay, then choose your date of birth. But remember, it shouldn't be very, very low. Yeah, say 2000. Good. All right, so let's continue that now. This nickname. Okay, I just fearless motivation, because I want to, Write motivating content. Good. So we are good now. Now let's go back to profile. Okay, we've created a content. Now let's see now the let's check if our region is correct, if it's actually registered as UK account. Now click up above here. Let me show you this area. So tap on it. Then come down to TikTok Studio. That's what I want to show you some. Good, beautiful. So look at this. Look at this. This creator rewards program. This is it. This is it. So this means that this account is eligible for monetization. Like if I'm able to get the 10K followers and 300K views, right? I can monetize this account, all right? I can monetize this account because it's eligible for monetization because I'm in a monetizable country, all right? Good. Now let's go and check something else, which is the last thing we're going to check now. Please remember to subscribe to our video so you can continue to see our updates as suppose them as up. Now click on this area again. Click on this area again. All right, now go to settings and privacy below. Settings and privacy. What you want to do, you want to check your account where the region is based. Good. Click on account and click on account information. So we're there, right? Beautiful. All right, so that's it, guys. That's it, guys. I hope you learned from this, and I hope you're able to set up your account, and I hope you're monetized as soon as possible. Please hit me up if you have any problem setting up your account.